everybody, welcome back. Sorry that I haven't made too many videos. It's been kind of boring. Ooh, dark. Oh, hold on. There we go. Just been kind of chilling today. Sorry about my face and my hair. I didn't bother doing anything with it today because it was more like a slouchy day. Just kind of sat around the house and cleaned up a bit and that kind of thing. But thought I would sit down and do a video just because why not? I just lost all train of thought. Anyway, I think that we're gonna go later on tonight to Hoover, I think, and just ride around and look at different places and go and shop maybe, I don't know, and maybe get dinner. But other than that, that's really all that's happened today. I called Domino's and ordered a pizza earlier. That was about as interesting as today got. My husband, or soon-to-be husband, has been working, sorry, I have something in my eye, has been working on cars all day, so I've kind of been chilling in the house with the dogs. But yeah, he's been outside all day and I've been chilling inside. But yeah, we will go to Hoover and do the shopping and everything, and then come home and probably chill and watch some TV and stuff like we normally do. But yeah, I've been kind of wanting to go shopping lately, because I get kind of bored. Even if I don't buy anything, I like going out and doing things and, you know, shopping. Does anybody else like doing that? Even if you don't buy anything, you just like going just to look? Just so you can, like, write a list down of things that you do want? Because I do. You don't? It's just me? Okay. But yeah, I thought that, I would do this. Every time I video, it's always really, really lame and short. But anyways, I enjoyed doing it. I know it's probably not the most interesting thing in the world, and it's probably very odd and non-interesting to others. But, yeah, I don't think we've got anything else to do later. It's Friday, I think. Friday? Yeah, Friday. And we really don't do a whole lot on the weekends either. This is like our entire week. It's nothing but a lot of nothing, mainly. If I haven't said this in a previous video of mine, let me get to where you can see my face. Sorry about the camera quality. I am vlogging or doing videos on my phone at the moment because I don't have a camera, so I know that the quality is probably really, really bad. But I think I might be getting a camera for Christmas, so it won't be too long and I'll have my own camera, so it'll be a little bit better quality. But yeah, I think I'm gonna get ready soon, just so I ain't gotta hassle with it later, and he'll have to come in and take a shower. Don't know what that was. Anyway, I'm probably gonna, like I said, I'm probably gonna go ahead and get ready and do my hair and makeup and everything, and that'll be it. Ooh, hello. A lot of strange things happening right now. But yeah, I'll talk to y'all later, and like always, hit that like button down below, comment and subscribe, and I'll see y'all guys next time. Bye!